Misre Nyankopon say so wakatua boni bi tua wo man we eka woni Ghana mabunu no emfrim woni Ghana yutu emfrim na won tua wo man we ka efiti Ghana mpanimfo so epepem Ghana asofofo so President ahodu a abesi wo man we so na omo ho kwan se omutimi je LGBTQ plus no omutimi esan ade bi na be yensan ho to mo man so man no yempe
Abusuafo me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba osonsa ebitima kabi na so watch wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan which are through number na wasi no adaroma nsabeka na news studios we anyina akoso ni beso pounds so. Now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters. It's very, very worrying. It's very, very worrying. You see, politicians are supposed to serve as the bridge between the highest power and the ordinary Ghanaian. They are supposed to serve as the voice for the people. They're supposed to serve as the bridge between the people and the highest authority. But recently, the understanding, the analogy behind politicians, they are things they are supposed to do in order, it's gradually shifting to personal interest. It's the first thing, because to be a politician, honorable, the word honorable ne carry weight. But then, if you are confronting a Ghanaian youth, no one is very careful. The word politician alone, because the narrative about politicians it's not even changing for good, it's changing for bad. It's very, very bad. Politicians are gradually discerning the trust Ghanaians have for them. And I say, we are campaign season drew. So the NDC for buy a fee campaign magana for Jomudi man who say, hey, you run another go for the said the Sunni Paboni they be mad. And then gradually the narratives are changing. And I made it not because I made Pebonia mobile, but a quite more fast so a creative evil narrative and the bank of front. Then you're quite papa so. Now my own coin try and be true. Na Ghana mabuni bi akasa na uti omo hawa ayareho wa hwekura isuni epusa kra becho so that's that ebimu we say the vengeance of the Lord should come on some people. It's very serious. Abusu bi na me exaggerate number ti mo me enko ne enko video number
Misre Nyankopon say so wakatua boni bi tua wo man we eka woni Ghana mabunu no emfrim woni Ghana yutu emfrim na won tua wo man we ka efiti Ghana mpanimfo so epepem Ghana asofofo so President ahodu a abesi wo man we so na omo ho kwan se omutimi je LGBTQ plus no omutimi esan ade bi na be yensan ho to mo man so man no yempe no mabu omani aguso president ene Ghana asofofo no mu binu Nyankopon ontua o mu kakabone wani maburu ni mfiri no ontua mu ka Ghana asofo bi ti se kofi oduru a wogina na asore ye comparison na wo kasati a aban na atwam se L1BTQ+ no ayese ekufuado etimi sign na yemra wo Ghana ha na NDC amaba ekufu odu atumi aka na no atom wasene ni tiri ho na ne konsi tan eduru na bi kura kofu odu ye comparison wo na asore ho ekire de NDC aban ne beyeye ekire de ekufuado aban ne beyeye sofu kofu odu ni natwom na ne selfishness ani Ghana asofofo ni bi no ya papa agina sare hoy sofa agina sare sofo pedini Archbishop hoy munyina makamano atum ye hu limamfo ni bi mo hoy makamano atum senya mo selfish interest ene mo pesa mu nkuminya ana na mo pese mo di tie akufu adoban e mama ha matimi ba so dia ene mo pie kofu oduru na ya na ya meya akoy Saturday bia me kana asema na ye wotan because it was sini ni tinu pa ni tinu wa ye sham no onu mom edi ani mu ye campaign di ma NDC aban wo kire sonson ye wo NDC aban ne MPP aban makama no ato muntimi nkasa na Sam George de senye nyame na atua Sam George ka ana wo ye kakra na kakraka no sura ye kakraka ana ne foma ye ketwa de a ene ne Sam George wo yale ko hospital na wo mu hwehwem because sebi onye bayira ye dua wa bo akosoro bayire ne soro na ye kase na ne foma ye kase o di Nyankopon ayewo ana ofo aye kuntan kakraka so ya ye kosoro kopo so ya ye de yo nyame na atua o Sam George wa no kate aso wonye bibia fa nko wie da o Sam George akwara keto a o ma o menso wutu we ya apofra kate na politics intinu aye kan ni nyame so atua o kase se o soro aye kantan hwe wa bosse bayire hyefom boyira ya ehye kofi wa bo o soro na afom aye kete o hye kotu ana asensie mu o soro aye hukuntan o na afom na aye bibi e wo senye nyame na etua o ka wo saa kwan no so de a ene na ayare ko hospital Sam George yi ni paponi ni o nka no kore o your selfish interest o ye coward mo ka no kore mo soliti aba na mo nim se enye yize saa mo nim se enye yize mo ankasa mo nim se enye yize saa ana mo soliti a akufu ado aban mo nim se enye yize Sam George kofu oduru a wasene wo kwa mo tan o kasa se nyama Ghana fo nyina ntie o na aye politics o asole dem wa kire won sore ma no wa ka che so mo nim no nkoto abafo no mbetena ha ombehu wa ye comparison betwitwa da bi ni ade o kai de ense ne waka no wate de papa mahama eka wa pass obesi su wa pass bill bes e ko bes 10 how say LGBTQ+ ne de o mayi wo mani monim say nye easy ana mo de ye amanyosem Sam George kosoro kopo onim say nye easy me say senye nyame na atua o ka de ya ne na o yale ko hospital if it's a wonye won ka no kore wonye kristoni na nano mon sorry na mon ka no kore le manfo a mo sorry ye mon sorry na mon ka no kore me de me kasa mahama obesi so onya ade o ba sa ade ne nko a wode ye politics no se wanya eno ne beba me maka wase o ye na djuma all right but do onim se enye yize ye fanya politics no wode ye politics ama me bruno o ma dwene dan ye kwoto aban me siga no wo tua Ghana fo mpanimfo ne ka onyi mebu ni mfrim if it's a wo ne dada yuti na dwene na me nshira edin edi frame ya ne ken frempon
now ebusuya sa wotie nsem a ye kanadi frempon e kana
nyenye bahisingase ye dress ni bahisingase nenga bia nenye tuwa munyu ka chonle wa mo na nganye hensi puwe Here hands poor make up a hand, we cool and you follow. We cool, Nanya and you more pram, then for some Georgia. Here hands poor make up a hand. Mahama appointment or true penepio, some George did a useless appointment, Ningan. Mwana ke a petano ye ko kan mehe ke a petano e bino ko pe kan mehe mwana ke SIM card registration SIM card re-registration ni asro Owusu nga SIM card registration pay e jelelu e ka you are here e ka you are lesbian e ka you are peno ye do le no ko mwana Sam George tesikele ho ma mini pem e ma SIM card re-registration pay nye biye nye chua pe dama we ko na Sam George de nye chua pe nye biye
aso no biye ya wo Sam George asem ni mu say wo Sam George se ne wutie obobre wan ka se ye wo checks and balances asebio Sam George nyanyanko papa na fafie ene wo ko suku kaka na wonya ayefa ne say Alu Mahama office ko share ye na hu se MPP mu de nkwasiafo bi te say wo no omunya post wo ho enti age se me de me hu ko wura NDC mu because ahon ye beje kwasiam pani bi te say wo ena wo do hu ko wura wo do ho ekọ ye na ade ko wura NDC mu Sam George nka me bi say wo wo gina hwehwem na ahwe ho a sabio nka wo to no enya sika na wo ko wiawia wo politics wa enko ba ba na be fa wo Sam George enko ba ba na be fa wo na wo wie no aba be ka kire yen say yen tena X ni ye didi wo watama ye mi say wo say de ni achieve wa boa Sam George wa boa ne nwura mu no antena because what wo na wodim say wo maame amobra Sam George o papa wa amobra anche yakufu ado anse na kodi na ado atem Sam George wonni ne wo se na wo mobra anche na ado na nyo mu tipene na ado na wo kodi wo matem no Sam George wo maame enye ne classmate ene Rebecca Kufuado Woma me enye ne classmate de Justice Tokonu ena wo kodi na tam no Sam George wo sisters wo busuemu ankasa yenye checks and balances and na no wonye ya wayese ono kwa de nam wayese mattress sa wonye boyo ono so okọ wale ya wayese mattress yi wono bi so wo Sam George nya wo pan wo be wura politics mo wie sika enkasa wonye wo be na Obama na wale no so nim so Obama wale wonye no consider ne de ana wonim Wonim pefesi wo ba ye wari ni de ye chie sika man so won consider minyo because minyo we pade enye sika pa nko ba we won wale ne da wa bua pi wate wa bua pi no ba ka chest no wusi say oye lesbian oye bayfo Sam George what woman me bayiye e ma ne wi ansa na be boys no wusu bayiye no Sam George what woman me bayiye e ma ne wi ye ansa na oba be tu oba be boys no wusu bayiye na woman me betna ye friend saying Woman me betna a vetting committee. Ye woman ye nima sankaten kwa enyinya. Woman me ne nimu sankaten kwa enyinya. Ye woman me
kono and the video ni nyina go internet ne so. Kayo you a tax money. Yeah, we achieve ye. Wha bi I mean you achieve this ugina ho say LGBT when you this words are so shy to you know yeah was papa president bana wan san you even where you could have better one also win your peace. This is what Ghanaians you told them they achieve from you. You said
he will not know peace. These were his words.
Oh, that's what you're carrying now. Then who could now vetting committee say and now send you busa question and say what is your income there your source of living? Or say me you shame. If it were to be a serious nation, you would have been out of that baby. If not, they should go and investigate you before say Obasan better na obi. Over, ya mean shiraw. Na Ghana for na me dey show munsa. Next time, no internet, TikTok, or buy they are thinking now they are taking every word because what have you achieved? What you achieved, no, I don't know. And almost you achieve is almost sweaty. No more the tires pays money, no. I talk am what them. Then they never in Ghana for na show. Ya mean shiraw, mami. Good kudos to you. And that will be asking.
Mpacho ya atabra ha fact-based network. Show ye no Mondays to Thursdays. 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Te ya atabra na besra ye.
Mate. Nyamisha mami.
Okay. Ye mishra wonso. Mpacho ya made me to miss you.
Pepe. I mean, see, mami yes ebe lusu we ni kakra. Why mami amenya.
There be one kasa usi mama na ebe lusi. Oh, okay. Dantes mpacho send the request na memfa why Chako. Anka mi di fiase de banti
ama nyame nhyira ene masem yetitia ama ne akua Epamcho ene me maame ama wo soro. Hwan pa na anya kwan aben Sam George eye to eyeball and now aben close da pa. Ama ene akua me do nyame so ye journalist na Sam George oben no na the microphone and how the recorder ekotua na no na ukofie na wanya kata ana wanya koda na ne wo nso emframa nyankopon ba no onhume bi nanum Sam George anum eche kan etiti hwitim nanum bom papa he enti so kasagu TV3 Adum TV UTV ene other TV stations